Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, I want to share a simple truth that changed many lives and can change yours too. This is a truth that touches everyone, no matter your age, background, or job. These three things are the foundation of a meaningful life. Not money, not fame, not titles, just health, growth, and connection. So if you're feeling tired, lost, or unsure where to begin, start here. Come back to what really matters. Let's begin this journey together. Part 1. Your health. The foundation of everything. Why health matters. Your health is your engine. When it breaks down, everything slows. Your dreams, your relationships, your happiness. Without energy, life feels heavy. Without rest, the world feels foggy. Without strength, even joy feels far away. But here's the truth. You don't need perfection. You just need care. Story: Clara's Wake Up. Call Clara, a nurse and mother, gave everything to others. She skipped meals, slept late, ate fast food. She said, "I'll rest later," until she collapsed at work. The doctor told her it wasn't a disease. It was exhaustion. Lying in the hospital bed, she whispered, "I care for everyone. But who's caring for me?" That moment changed everything. She didn't buy a gym membership. She didn't follow a strict diet. She simply walked 10 minutes each morning, drank more water, ate slowly, turned off her phone before bed. Weeks later, she had more energy. She smiled more. She played with her kids again. "Taking care of myself is my gift to my family," she said. Story: Tom in the game of tag. Tom, 39, worked at a desk all day. He gained weight, felt tired. One day, his daughter asked, "Daddy, can we play tag?" He smiled, but couldn't run. That night, he cried. The next morning, he promised, "I'll take one step." 10-minute walk, switch soda for fruit, small changes. Every day. Months later, he was running in the yard with his daughter. "I just kept showing up," he said. Try this today. Health habits: drink 1 glass of water, walk outside for 10 minutes. Stretch your neck and shoulders, eat 1 meal slowly. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. These little things, they build a big, beautiful life. It is health that is real wealth, not gold or silver. Gandhi. Part 2. Your learning. The gift that never stops giving. Learning isn't about school. It's about staying curious, staying alive, staying young at any age. Learning builds your confidence, your brain, your possibilities. Let's explore how. Story: Nola, college graduate at 95. Nola, 95 years old, graduated college with her granddaughter. Why? "I didn't want to waste away. I wanted to grow." After graduation, she told stories on cruise ships. She made people laugh. She lived. "It's never too late to shine," she said. Story: Anna, the single mom who learned to code. Anna lost her job during the pandemic. No degree, no plan, but 2 kids to feed. Each night after bedtime, she opened her laptop and studied coding for free. 1 year later, she became a junior web developer. "Learning gave me hope," she said. Story: Julia Child, cooking at 37, famous at 50. Julia didn't know how to cook at 37. She moved to France, fell in love with food, started learning. At 50, she launched her own cooking show. If she had said, "I'm too old," the world would have missed her magic. Story: Leo, finance guy to photographer. Leo, 48, was tired of numbers. He bought a cheap camera. He learned online, practiced every weekend. Now, he owns a successful photography business. Learning opened a door I didn't know existed. Try this today. Learning habits. Read 1 page, watch 1 educational video, learn 3 new English words, try a hobby, Even for 5 minutes, ask your child to teach you something. Learning doesn't need hours, just willingness. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Henry Ford, Art 3. Your relationships. The heartbeat of life, in the end. It's not your job, your salary, or your phone that will matter. It's your people. Let's talk about why relationships are your life's greatest treasure. Story. Robert's regret. Robert built businesses, earned money, skipped birthdays, missed anniversaries, now retired, alone, quiet house. He said, I spent my life building a company, but I forgot to build a family. Story. Linda and Sarah, reconnecting after 20 years, best friends in high school. Life pulled them apart. One message. Hey, I miss you. They met, talked, cried, laughed. Now, monthly trips, shared stories. Soul sisters again. This friendship saved my spirit, they said. Story. Chris and Dana, love rebuilt, married 22 years. Felt like roommates. They made one change. Thursday night, date night, coffee, walks, talking again. Months later, they remembered why they fell in love. We didn't fall out of love. We just stopped showing up. Try this today. Relationship habits. Call someone. Send a kind message. Hug someone you love. Say thank you or I'm proud of you. Forgive. Even quietly, one message can change a heart. People will forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Maya Angelou. How to begin, even if you're tired or busy. You might be thinking, where do I start? Here's how. Step 1. One small action in each area. Health, drink water, stretch, walk. Learning, read one page, learn one word. Relationships, message one friend, hug someone. Say, I love you. Step 2. Add it to your day. Attach habits to something you already do. After brushing teeth, stretch while waiting for coffee, read one line before sleep, send one kind message. Step 3. Be gentle, you'll miss a day. That's okay, don't give up. Just start again tomorrow. Step 4. Celebrate small wins. You drank water? You walked? You messaged a friend? Let joy be your reward. Step 5. Grow together. Tell someone. I'm trying to take better care of my life. Grow. As a family, as friends, as partners. Together is better. Step 6. Forgive yourself. You're not behind. You're not too late. You're becoming. Start again, always. Falling down is not failure. Staying down is. Get up. You're not done yet. The best gift you can give your future self, your future self, is waiting. Years from now, what will they thank you for? They won't say, thanks for working overtime. They'll say, thank you for drinking that water. Thank you for learning that skill. Thank you for choosing love. Thank you for taking care of me. Conclusion. A life worth living. Let's say it one last time. You will never regret investing in your health, your learning, or your relationships. These are the things that create a life full of energy, growth, love, peace. Meaning, so today, take the first step. One glass of water, one word, one call. Your future is built in tiny moments, just like this one, and you, my friend, are worth it. How to start small today. Don't wait. Start small. Here's how. Choose one. Small action. Health. Drink water. Walk for 10 minutes. Learning. Learn one English word. Watch one short video. Relationships. Send a sweet message. Hug someone. Say, I'm proud of you. Build daily habits. Add your new habit to your routine. After brushing teeth, I'll stretch. Use phone reminders. Link habits together. While tea boils, I'll read one sentence. Be kind to yourself. Some days will be hard. That's okay. Don't give up. Consistency beats perfection. Just show up, even when you're tired. Celebrate small wins. Did you walk today? Celebrate. Did you learn one new word? Celebrate. Did you say thank you? Celebrate. Ask for support. Tell someone, I'm trying to grow in health, learning, and love. Let them cheer you on. Or join, together. Forgive yourself. You will miss some days. That's okay. Start again. Falling is not failure. Staying down is. You are growing, not behind. Conclusion. The best investment is you. Let's take a deep breath. Remember, health gives you energy, peace, confidence, learning gives you joy, growth, confidence, relationships give you love, support. Meaning, when you look back on life, you won't regret choosing these things. You'll remember the laughter, the lessons, and the love. So, start small. Start today. Start with you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening with your heart. If this episode touched your life, like, comment, share with someone you care about. Subscribe for more inspiration, real English, and stories that matter. This is your journey, and I'm honored to walk beside you. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing, and keep choosing what really matters. See you next time. And always remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself.